we've actually got a lot of our information and a lot of answers to our questions from the people out there that are like-minded or think the same way, that just because it's different doesn't mean it's wrong. And it doesn't mean that the way we were doing it before was wrong. It just, we're always trying to get a little better.
So you go to the Strip-Till Conference every year pretty much, right?
Yeah, about every year. I think we missed the very first one because we didn't know it was a thing. And that was the first year we bought the Soil Warrior. The next year we ended up going out and did the training course and all that stuff. And we enjoyed it so much because we couldn't believe all the answers to our questions that we were able to get in one place, where, you know, we might have a list of questions and you could ask people around here and they were interested in it, but they didn't want to give you an answer one way or the other because we up here, we didn't have that education yet. It was still new to the area.
So you highly recommend, you know, if there's someone getting started in strip-till, or even if someone has been doing it for a while, to go to the conference?
Yes, yep. There's a few people that have gotten with some of the conservation, the programs and stuff, and are interested in it. And we tell them that we're going to be going. You got to even just buy tickets for people and send people out there. That it's really something to attend. You can get a lot of information and kind of calm those fears of it's not going to work, or I don't want to make that. It's a big investment to switch a farm over and try to learn something new. It was a big learning curve from what we were used to doing, and more of a patience thing, that we spend a lot more time now sitting around the table deciding our crop plans with a cover crop plan, just different things that we can do, that it doesn't take us long to get out in the field and do the actual work. But we've been fine-tuning where we're applying stuff, what we can get away with, what we can't. If we're going to be making strips, if we're going to plant cover crops first, that's why we only put the cover crops between our planting zone. It opened up that window to chase the combine with the seeder and then strip it after, even if the rye already comes up, and you're not wasting that half of your cover crop seed. So it was just a few random things that we had to see first and realize, well, we can shave a few dollars off here, we can save a little bit there. We've made it work, and it kind of all works as a system. We switched to that twin row corn and beans same year we started strip-tilling. So we've had people ask us, well, does the twin row corn yield more than the single row? Our yields have went up about 10 to 15 bushel on a 10-year average from what they were when we were conventional farming. But technology and hybrids and everything all come into play in the system. I couldn't say that I would be right if I pointed it in one, gave the credit to one thing or the other. I think it's it all working together.